If your deposit is failing, it's usually the photo. So here's how to fix. First of all, endorse the check exactly as required. Place it on a dark, flat surface, use a bright lighting, and then let auto capture take the photo. Then check daily deposit limits. Also, while depositing, make sure that you are on a stable Wi-Fi connection so the app runs or operates smoothly. And also try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data if your Wi-Fi does not support your connection. Tip: large checks may require a branch deposit, so it's better if you go to the branch. And smaller checks, you can just send the photo of it, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick.